y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with a new hop called The Next Big Thing, and it is hosted by Shannon Blinn. And this month it's going to be a monthly thing, and this month we had to use an 8x10 photo. So I didn't really have any on hand. I mean, I'm sure I have some professional ones maybe, but I don't want to break them up because I know what I do have is all sets pretty much. So I printed one, and I just printed it on cardstock because I don't have any photo paper. But a lot of you guys ask how the printer prints photos, and I think this turned out amazing. I know it washes it out a little bit on the camera from my lights, but I wanted to show you guys my kit before I start messing with everything. So I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style, and I am still using this spring, Four Seasons Spring by Close to My Heart from my kit I built. I also have this tulip stamp and die. And I think and since I printed it out, this was me and Brooke. We went to the tulip field this past week, and actually this past Saturday, and it was amazing, better than ever before. They planted so many more tulips, so once you got back to the field, that's all you could see. Like, as far as you could see, it was just tulips. And it was gorgeous, but it was so hot. It was already 90 degrees. And then last night we just had freezing temperatures again. So it's like, this is crazy. But it was beautiful, and I'm planning on using this kit. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet, but I'll put it together and get it ready to go, and I'll be back. Alright, so I went a little rogue, and I took my 8x10 picture and I cut it into a circle. And I cut out the circle as a template on my Cricut. And I cut it at 10 inches. And then I used this paper, which is, y'all know, my favorite paper in the whole pack. But I really love this circular dots too. And I wanted to kind of highlight it since it is my very last piece of it. And then I ended up tracing around this, and I took my scissors and I cut it out. So I at least have a circular piece of this left that I love so much. And then I took my tulip stamps and I stamped everything out, and then I fussy cut it, and I made all of these beautiful tulips from scraps. So I have this heart. This is Shabby Art Boutique. Oh, and I also printed this twice. I printed it again, and then I cut us out of it the second time just to pop it up and give it more dimension. And this is from the sticker pack, and then I cut out Hello Spring as my title on the Cricut. So this one's going to go together really quick. And I decided, since I was already using, the hop is called The Next Big Thing. So I decided while I was already using a big photo that I would just make and use big embellishments, which I already like, as y'all know. Anyway, so with the tulips, they're big embellishments, and then I'm going to use a big heart. So let's just try to line this up. I did trim the edges of my paper so that I could have the pink border around it. And then after I traced this, I went back and I cut this down just a little bit to be able to have a border around it also with the pink. And I put foam tape on here, and if I was thinking, I would have just used some fun foam and cut it out, traced my circle, and used it instead of using all this foam tape. I have went through like 7 rolls of foam tape in a week. actually less than a week. But I've been making a lot of embellishments and stuff, so. And y'all know I love my dimension, so. Okay, I'm just gonna try to somewhat line it up. It's not gonna be perfect because I freehand cut the circle. So there's that. Alright, so I need to actually put this on, so I'm going to have to pull that up a little bit. I'm going to glue this under there. And y'all know this will end up getting a second page. Not today, but I will be creating a second page to add in all the other photos that we took. And so you'll probably wind up seeing that at the end of the month. Alright, so now I'm going to put all my tulips on. And I do have foam on the leaves to pop them up. So I am probably just going to fast forward this part, and I'm just going to go through and I'm going to glue all my tulips in down here at different varying heights and all that stuff. So that's all of my flowers I'm going to put down here. I am going to trim all these off. I wanted them to be at different heights, so I took and run some of them off the page and some of them I didn't. So there's that, and I love it. And then I have this little journal box that I want to put right here. And I'll probably just write the date in. And then I have these two tulips that I wanted to put in up here. So let me do that. I have to pull this up a little bit. I'm glad this is printed on cardstock and not a real photo. That way it's not bending up my picture. Okay. There's that. And then I have Hello Spring, and I put it on foam also. If you ever get a chance to go to a flower field, you should really go. They do tulips in the spring around here. And then they have, in the summertime, there's the flower farm I go to with all the zinnias and the sunflowers. And then in like late summer, they have a field that's just a sunflower field, and it's on both sides of the roads as far as you can see. And it's always spectacular and amazing to me every time I go to a flower farm and then get to walk through them and look at them and see each one and how they're so unique and beautiful. And I mean, God is such an amazing artist. And so I encourage you to do that if you haven't ever. I have these little hearts I thought about using, but I don't know. This one's kind of like colored for, I don't know. Maybe I won't. I think it looks good even without them. Alright, so I think that's going to be my page. I hope that you will check out the playlist link below and check out everyone else that created using an 8x10 photo, even though mine's not really 8x10 anymore since it's circle now. And see what they did and all the amazing inspiration, and then come back and check us out next month and see what big thing we're doing. So until next time, bye y'all.